Welcome to Unlicensed Truth. In this video, we'll be looking at scary and disturbing moments caught on a doorbell camera. Here we have a masked individual attempting to pick the lock of a homeowner, more than likely looking to get inside and steal whatever he can get his hands on. As he struggles with getting past the door lock, suddenly the predator becomes the prey as he gets attacked by the homeowner who has a pistol in hand. As the homeowner stands over the burglar, he begins going through the burglar's pockets. Knowing his life is in danger, you can hear him tell the homeowner he can take it all, referring to everything he has in his pockets. Talk about karma. The robber being robbed for everything he has on him. After a woman on the phone hears her dogs barking, she walks out on the back patio and towards the yard to figure out what the problem was. Immediately after stepping off the patio, she sees her dog running from a bear. As she takes off back into the house screaming, she then chases the bear and dog farther into the backyard. Hearing all the screaming, her husband then runs out to figure out what is going on. He sees the bear rounding the corner and immediately appears to make himself bigger with his hands out and starts to make loud noises in an effort to scare the bear off. The bear quickly heads back in the direction it came from and makes sure everyone is inside, just in case the bear comes back. In Ontario, Canada, you can see a father doing what most parents do when they have multiple kids. This father loads his first 10-month infant in the back of the car. He briefly goes back into the house for his other child when, all of a sudden, the vehicle stops in the street and an individual gets out. This father is about to face one of a parent's worst nightmares when the individual jumps inside the car and tries to quickly steal the vehicle with the infant still in the back. The father notices this and runs out the door with the child in hand, opening the passenger side door. As the thief puts the car in reverse, the father continues to try and prevent his vehicle from being stolen. After seeing the father not backing down, the thief flees the vehicle while it's still in gear, and with the baby still inside, makes his way back to the vehicle he got out of before it speeds away. Notice the car rolling back toward the house? A homeowner who just returned home was about to enter through his front door when he was confronted by a man in all black with a handgun. This man came out of nowhere to catch the homeowner going inside and rob him. He asks the homeowner for money and valuables. The terrified homeowner immediately begins to resist and to prevent the robber from taking anything. You can see where the robber smacks the homeowner in the head a couple times as he tried to scare and intimidate the homeowner. As the homeowner continues to resist and call out for help, he is heard by someone within the house who opens the shade to see a man being robbed. The individual who looked out the window finally opens the front door. But it's too late, because the robber eventually gets what he wants and takes off. If you like what you've seen so far, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. The final video footage is by far the scariest and most disturbing of them all. In the middle of the day, we have what seems to be an innocent individual selling candy from door to door. The homeowner of this residence would open the door to purchase some of the candy. It was during this time 3 armed individuals would come up running to the door and make their way inside the residence and rob the homeowner in broad daylight. As the 3 individuals rush inside, you can see the candy seller grab his box of candy and move out of the way and then walk back up towards the door. The candy seller's role in this home invasion was to get the homeowner to open the door and to catch them with their guard down. The entire scheme was nothing but a setup. As you can see, the candy seller put down the box of candy and put on a mask to help the others rob the place. The 4 armed men would take everything they deemed of value and escape the house in broad daylight, leaving the homeowner traumatized. Also, be sure to check out our other videos here on Unlicensed Truth.